Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your maths teacher and this is your maths book of class 4. Now open your books, exercise 1.3 page number 27. Now this is exercise 1.3 page number 27. Question number 4. Divide the first number by the second number by long division method. First I tell you that what is division. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. For example, there are 12 chocolates and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolates? 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. How? Let's see. This is called radical. Here this number is called dividend, this number is called divisor, and 3 into 4, 12. This 4 is called quotient and the last number is remainder. Here we have 0, so this is remainder. Okay now, or in other words, division is also called short form of subtraction. Now we have a question, divide the first number by the second number by long division method. Here we have a question 697 and 17. So 697 and 17, here we have a radical. 697 is our dividend and 17 is divisor. So we write the table of 17 which helps us to complete this question. Okay, now here we have a rough work. Table of 17, 17 into 2, 34, 17 into 3, 51, 17 into 4, 68, 17 into 5, 85, 17 into 6, 108, 17 into 7, 119, 17 into 8, 136, 17 into 9, 153. Okay, now 17 is 2-digit number, so we can divide it with 2 digit. Means 69. Now check it out whether in the table of 17 we have 69 or less than 69. 34, 51, 68 and 85. Obviously 68 is less than 69. So we write 17 into 4, which is equals to 68. 4 right here and 68 we will write here. Okay, now 9 minus 6. All of you know, here we do the subtraction. 9 minus 8 we get 1. 6 minus 6 we get 0. There is no need of 0, so we ignore 0. Okay, now 7 here. If our divisor or dividend are the same, so we can multiply it with 1. 17 into 1 we get 17. So which is equals to 0. Nothing. 17 minus 17 is nothing. We get 0. So at the end we write the quotient as well as remainder. Quotient which is equals to 41. Here this is our quotient and this is our remainder. And we have remainder 0, means nothing. Okay, now we have another question. 9131 and 23. Obviously 9131 is our dividend and 23 is our divisor. We write the table of 23 which helps us to complete this question. Okay, now this is our table of 23. Now 23 is a 2-digit number, so we can divide it with 2 digit. 91. Check it out whether we have 91 or less than 91. 23 into 2, 46, 23 into 3, 69, 23 into 4, 92. 69 is less than 91, so we write here 23 into 3, 69. 23 into 3, 69. We do subtraction. 1 minus 9 is not possible, so we can take the help of 9. Here we have 8 and 11. 11 minus 9 we get 2. 8 minus 6 we get 2. Now write down 3. Okay, now check it out whether 223 is present in 23 table or not. 223. Let's 46, 69, 92, 115, 138, 167, 61, 180, 84 and 207. I think 207 is much suitable. So 23 into 9, 207. 23 into 9. First you write quotient and then divide. 207. Again it is not possible that 3 minus 7, so we take help from 2. Here we have 13. 13 minus 7 we get 6 and 1 over here. Now the leftover number is 1. So again we check 23 into 161 or less than 161. 46, 69, 92, 115, 138 and 161. Oh, okay, 161. 23 into 7 we get 161. Again first quotient and then dividend. 161. Nothing is remainder, so we write the quotient which is equals to 397 and remainder which is nothing, so we write 0. Okay, now we have exercise 1.3, page number 27, question number 5, same like question number 4. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. Now again we have division question. 34 divided by 1605. Okay, this is a question. 34 is our divisor and this is divider. And again we write the table of 34 which helps us to complete this question. Now this is table or rough work of 34. Now again 34 is 2-digit number, so we check out 34. 16 is more less than 34, so we take another one, 160. Now check it out, 160. If we have 160 in table or in rough work, other than we take less number, 161. Sorry, 160. This is 68, 102, 136, 170. Obviously 170 is not possible, so we take 136. 34 into 4 we get 136. 34 into 4, 136. There is no need of minus sign, but if you write, no issue. Okay, now 0 minus 6 not possible, so we take borrow. Here we have 10, 10 minus 6, 4, and 5 minus 3, we get 2. Now, the remaining number is 5. Now, again check it out, 245. In the rough work or in the table of 34, 245. Here we have 136, 170, 204, 238 or 272. 272 is greater, 238 is less. So we write the 238. 34 into 7 we get 238. 34 into 7 we get 238. Okay, now again 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we take help from 4, borrow from 4. Here we have 15. 15 minus 8 we get 7. Okay, now here we have 34 and now here we have 7. It is not possible to again divide this number, so this is your answer. Here you have quotient, this is your quotient and this is your remainder. In question they tell us that write the quotient or find the quotient and remainder. So now we find the quotient and remainder. So this is quotient which is equals to 47 and remainder which is equals to 7. Okay, now we take another example, that is 47 and 1876. Again we do the rough work or write the table of 47. In 47, first we take 3 numbers, 187, check it out, 187 or less than 187. So we get 94, 141 and 188. Obviously 144, 47 into 3, 141. 7 minus 1, 6, 8 minus 4, 4. The last number is 6. 466. Now again check it out. 466. Here we have 329, 376, 423. This is the right one. 47 into 9. 423. 6 minus 3 we get 3. 6 minus 2 we get 4. Again this is not possible because 47 is greater and 43 is a less number. So here we have, this is quotient and this is remainder. Write the quotient and remainder as well. Here we have quotient 39 and remainder 43. Thank you students. Allah bless you.